Becoming a strong influencer requires dedication, authenticity, and a strategic approach. Here are 10 tips to help you on your journey to becoming a powerful influencer. Identify your niche. Choose a specific area of expertise or interest that you are passionate about and knowledgeable in. Focusing on a niche allows you to build a dedicated audience and position yourself as an authority in that field. Be authentic. Authenticity is key to connecting with your audience on a deeper level. Share your true self, thoughts, and experiences. People appreciate genuine personalities and are more likely to follow and engage with someone they can relate to. Consistency is key. Regularly produce content that aligns with your niche. Consistency helps establish your presence and builds trust with your audience. Whether it's blogging, vlogging, or social media posts, maintain a reliable schedule. Engage with your audience. Respond to comments, messages, and inquiries from your followers. Engaging with your audience shows that you care about their opinions and fosters a sense of community around your content. Collaborate with others. Partnering with fellow influencers or brands can expand your reach and introduce you to new audiences. Seek collaborations that complement your niche and align with your values. Provide value. Focus on delivering valuable content to your audience. Whether it's entertainment, education, or inspiration, the more value you provide, the more people will be drawn to your influence. Use multiple platforms. Utilize various social media platforms to reach a broader audience. Each platform has its unique audience and features, so adapt your content accordingly. Stay up to date with trends. Monitor industry trends and popular topics to stay relevant. Being informed about what's happening in your niche will help you create timely and engaging content. Analyze and adapt. Pay attention to your analytics to understand what type of content resonates most with your audience. Use this data to refine your content strategy and improve your impact. Be patient and persistent. Building a strong influence takes time and effort. Stay patient during the growth process and keep pushing forward, even during slow periods. Consistent effort and dedication will eventually yield results.